This tiny light promises big results. Today, I'm unboxing and testing the new Godox Litemons C30Bi. Let's see what it can really do. Right out of the box, it's small, light, and super compact. Weighs only 249 grams, but packs serious brightness. It's bicolor too, from 2800 Kelvin to 6500 Kelvin. Two simple knobs on the back, one for brightness, one for color temperature. Very beginner friendly. Fan is quiet too, which is important for an on-camera audio. TRI is 94, TLCI is 96, 45 minutes full brightness battery runtime. Can be powered via USB-C while shooting. Let's put this light to the test in a real-world setup. I love how soft the light looks with a diffuser, and that adjustable color temperature really makes flexible for any mood. Here's what I like so far, and a few small things to consider. For its size and price, the Godox C30Bi is an amazing light for content creators, product shooters, and even quick interviews. If you need a bicolor LED and it fits in your pocket, this one worth check it out. Smash the like button if you found this helpful and hit subscribe for more hands-on gear tests. Quick shout out to the two of my favorite creative tools, the PangCube Mech Wallet, a sleek and everyday carry that feels like a transformer, and the Lens Go Smoke Go. the tiniest fog machine I've ever used. Perfect for adding drama to product shots.
If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects, perfect for your video if you are content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.